Hello, and welcome back to Master Speak English. I'm so happy you're here today. In this video, we're going to listen to a lovely story about a girl named Emma and her wonderful family. You'll hear how she describes each family member in simple, clear English, and you'll learn how to do the same. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this beautiful family story. Let's get started.
Hello, everyone. My name is Emma, and today I want to tell you about my lovely family. We are a small but very close family. We love spending time together and supporting one another. There are 6 people in my family: my dad, my mom, my little brother, my grandma, my grandpa, and me. Let me introduce each one of them to you. Let's start with my dad. His name is David, and he's 42 years old. He is a doctor at the city hospital. He takes care of many patients and works very hard. But at home, he's relaxed, funny, and full of stories. He loves to read books and take us on weekend outings. I really admire him for being both smart and kind. Next is my mom. Her name is Olivia, and she's 39 years old. She's a teacher, and she teaches English at a primary school. My mom is very caring and always helps us with schoolwork and daily routines. She loves cooking, especially baking cakes and making Sunday lunch for the whole family. She's also very organized and always knows what needs to be done. I go to her for advice about everything. Now let me tell you about my little brother. His name is Noah, and he's only 6 years old. He's full of energy and always asking questions. He loves dinosaurs, toy cars, and drawing on the walls, which makes Mom a little upset. But he's also very sweet and gives the best hugs. Sometimes we play video games together or build Lego castles in the living room. And now, my grandma. Her name is Grace. She's 67 years old and lives with us. She's the heart of our home, always smiling, always warm. She loves knitting, telling stories from her childhood, and making traditional soup that we all love. In the mornings, she sits in the garden with a cup of tea and talks to the flowers. She gives me the best advice and always says, "Family is the greatest gift." Next is my grandpa. His name is Henry. He's 70 years old, but he's still very active. He used to be a history teacher, and now he enjoys reading and writing poems. Every afternoon, he goes for a walk and sometimes takes Noah with him. He tells us stories about when he was young and how life was different back then. He's very wise and teaches us to be patient and grateful. And finally, me. I'm Emma. I'm 14 years old and I'm in middle school. I enjoy reading, drawing, and learning English. I help my mom in the kitchen and sometimes read to my grandma. In the evening, we all sit together and share stories or play games. Our house is full of love, laughter, and beautiful memories. I feel so blessed to be part of such a loving family. We help each other, laugh together, and support one another no matter what. My family means everything to me. They are my safe place, my joy, and my biggest treasure. Thank you for listening to my story. Now, tell me about your family in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Master Speak English. See you in the next video.